friends, Running Kimono here, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 2nd to the 8th. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous Friday, and we're just going to dive into it. It's going to be an excellent week at Walgreens, and I am loving these deals. First off, a lot of us received this booster, which is $10 back when you spend $30. It is of a one-time use, and it's broken into 2 weeks. So for the purposes of this video, Sunday the 2nd, right till the 5th, that's when you can use it. It is of a one-time use. Yes, it stacks with papers and other digital boosters, such as the allergy one of 7 back when you spend $25. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or we'll mess it up with this booster, but it's a way that we could save extra money with a booster. So if you have it, you're lucky. Again, your mileage may vary, meaning not everybody gets it, but if you shop a lot, you probably have it. If you could do me a huge favor and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or subscribe or both, I would be so grateful. First piece of business I want to talk about is Ibotta. So if you go to the main page of Ibotta and see where that arrow is where it says online shopping, press it and wait maybe a minute to 2 minutes and this guy should pop up, which is an egg extravaganza bonus. I have like 45 offers for $10. That's kind of rich, but some of you will have ones that are a lot less if you're an active user on Ibotta. This is also a preview video, meaning we're doing a lot of speculating in this video. I've been shopping there for 12 years, so I have an idea how things work, but the fine print of the ad is not released till Sunday morning, including the digital coupons, so please treat this video as a preview. It is not gospel till we see everything in the Walgreens app on Sunday morning. First little piece of info we're going to also talk about is a lot of the clearance that's kicking back either freebies or possible register rewards. This first one is to buy 2 of these Reese's if your store might have any left at 29 cents. With the IVC, it's completely free. And yes, you can get more than 2 per transaction. I know a lot of people were getting 10, 20, a lot. But if you just want to grab 2, it would make 2 free candy bars. Again, this is your mileage may vary if your merchandise is the same as up here in Michigan where it's on clearance at the same time, but I know that a lot of you did score this and the IBC also did reset. Check out yesterday's video for that info. For the next 2 offers, if you can track down 2 of each, they're kicking back a $5 store coupon. The Icy Hot on a BOGO 50% off is $1.63. Get back a $5 store coupon. It makes it a little money maker and an awesome freebie. And again, a lot of people have been going hard on these different, aches and pain supplements that are on clearance, so it might be harder to find, but if you could track it down, it's a money maker. 2 Unisoms for $2.68, $5 store register reward, making it free, plus a $2 and change money maker. Not too shabby. Hop right into these deals. These are the deals of the week. 3 for $12.99 for the Coca-Cola. Really good price point. It's usually like 2 for $18. We also have the cashews for $3.99, the Dunkin' Donuts for $5.99. Some amazing little savings here with Easter right around the corner. Okay, the first deal that we're going to look at that I think is quite amazing is on the Head & Shoulders. Supreme is pictured there, $6 to $10. We have an Ibotta $1.50 back that you can do up to 3 times. So boom, there it is. Make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of the Supremes, if they're at $6 a pop, who knows what's included. That's 12, subtracting a 3 off a 2 digital. I'm speculating we're going to have that digital coupon. It was so fuzzy in the Flip app, I couldn't make heads or tails of it, but that's usually what's offered. Pay $9 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, $3 back from Ibotta, making it 3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Unfortunately, shampoo is no longer a beauty product to go with that 7 back when you spend 25 booster. So this is just a really good deal. Okay, so this promotion is still there, which is $7 for the Olay, $5 reward when you buy 3. And we're supposed to get another 5 off of 3 digital coupon according to the Flip app. Grabbing 3 of these, if you have a booster like spend 20, get back 5, load that digital coupon, pay $16 with your debit card, get back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $5 register reward, making it 6 for the 3 or $2 per. Remember to use your debit card, no Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess up your balance with the booster. Another deal of the week is $4 for the Crest or Oral-B. According to the Flip app, we're supposed to have a 5 off 3 digital on Sunday. So grabbing 3 of these, that's 12 on the nose, subtracting that digital, you're paying 7, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 3. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is the Dove Men specifically, $7 to $9, and then $2 reward when you buy 2 of them. Now we have this very unique 5 off of 2 digital. Make sure that you have this guy loaded, and then we're going to grab 2 of the Dove Men's for 14, subtracting that digital coupon, pay 7, get back a $2 register reward. It shakes it out to $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your $2 register reward. Okay, so looking at Dawn for $1.24, earn $1 register reward when you buy 2, so there's a little something pour vous. So 2 of these at that cost is $2.48. Get back your dollar register reward. It shakes it out to $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per Dawn. These are the smaller ones, but still Dawn concentrate can go a really long way. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Now, a lot of us have this goofy register reward, which is a $5 store. Hard to use, but this might be a deal for you. The Mr. Clean all-purpose cleaner is $2.69. I think you can see where I'm going with this. Grabbing 2 of them, that's $5.38. Subtracting that store register reward, you're paying 38 cents for 2 Mr. Clean cleaners. I think that's a really smart deal. Okay, now we have the all detergent for $3.99 or Snuggle products. We have a $1.50 digital coupon that will drop this down to $2.49. Now, isn't this a deal that absolutely everybody loves? $5.49 for the Tide Bounce Downy Laundry Care. $5 reward when you buy 4 of them. Grabbing 4 of the Tides for $21.96. If you have a booster like spend 20, get back 5, load it. Pay that amount, and then get back a $5 register reward and $5 of Walgreens cash, making it $11.96 for the 4. Now, on Sunday, will we have digital coupons for any of these laundry products? That's what we're going to have to watch out for. And remember, if you're using a booster with this deal, you can't use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, I'm really hoping that some sort of digital coupons show up for either the Bounty, Charmin, or Puffs. $5.99, $3 reward when you buy 3, which is kind of a unique one. But grabbing 3 of the bounties, for example, it's $17.97. Get back your $3 reward. It makes it $4.99 per. And if you're doing this without a booster, you just want to get some paper towel or Kleenex. I actually need some puffs. This might be a pretty respectful deal, but let's hope we get some really nice digital coupons. That would be terrific. Okay, so the Venus and Gillette at $9.99. Earn a $6 reward when you buy 2. I know there's supposed to be $2 digital coupons, some that are expiring, but usually there's $2 coupons floating around for those products. Speculating that we get them on Sunday morning, grabbing 1 men and 1 women's for $19.98. Subtracting that digital, pay $15.98, get back your $6 reward. It is okay to use Walgreens cash for this deal. It makes it $4.99 per. Higher value digital coupons would be the way to go, or to throw this in a booster deal also. But then you'd have to pay for the balance with your debit card, just to note that. And this is the deal that I really, really love. 2 for $8 for the Oscar Mayer bacon. Unfortunately, the freezer at my store has been down for months, so I couldn't scan this Ibotta rebate. But it's $2 back for a raw bacon, and this is raw bacon found in the cooler over at Walgreens. But that's $2 back per pack. Wow. Grabbing 2 of those, it should be $8. Make that $4 submission to Ibotta, $2 back for each, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per pack of bacon. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and this is a perfect little thing to have for Easter morning breakfast. And the eggs are going to be buy one, get one 50% off, although I haven't seen eggs at my local Walgreens in months because of freezer issues and problems that has to get repaired. But at BOGO 50% off, you might want to stock up your eggs at Walgreens. I know that dairy specifically, you can't use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But, if it's like $2 or less for a dozen eggs, that might be the way to go. Really quickly about some honorable mentions. The first one is the Dial Body Wash 2 for 7. We haven't seen this price in a while. I know there's no current digital coupons, and the coupons.com rebate is at Target only, but if there's something, this might be a potential for a good deal. Also, we have the Nexus spend 20, get back 10. We're going to have to see the digital coupons. This might make a good curbside deal. Curbside is cheaper than in store for this product. And then more food for you guys. We were talking about that Coke 3 for $12.99. That's a stock up price. 2 for 7 for the Doritos, so it would make it $3.50 per bag. If you're entertaining for Easter, snacks, BOGO free for cereal and such. And then on this page, of course, the Oscar Mayer bacon, and then BOGO free for the Lindsay olives. I have a weird fascination with olives right now, so I might have to grab a couple cans to indulge that. And then the final page that we have is more Easter candy. If you're trying to stock up those baskets for Easter, use $10, $20 in Walgreens cash. You might go really far. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.